Doesn't seem to be doing that. Oh, okay. It works. That's cool, huh?
No, it's not.
All
Turn
right.
that off.
Uh-oh. Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the SwitchBot 2K indoor pan and tilt camera.
That's correct.
That's it. It's right here. SwitchBot sent us this for the review, and it's a really nice indoor camera. It works by itself or with other devices in the SwitchBot ecosystem. All right, so it comes with a power supply. It also comes with some screws in case you want to mount it somewhere. There we go. There's the power supply. Oh, looks like a little mounting bracket.
Yeah, so that's what the screws are for. You screw this down, and then on the bottom, right, you can just put this on the bottom and lock it in place. And now it's mounted wherever you want.
Yep, so you can mount it.
Kind of cool.
That's
and look what
nice.
else it comes with.
What is that? Is that a reset key?
I don't know. Every time I've said it's a reset key, it turns out to be a thing for mounting or dismounting something. But anyway, they give it to you, and of course, you're always handy to have these, right? And let's bring up the pan and tilt camera.
Right.
There it is. Look. Ooh, but I don't have to do that, right?
Does it take an SD card?
Well, I don't know. Let's get to that in a minute. I want to play with the pan and tilt. So.
All right, so you can see the stuff on our table here.
Yeah. You can see the camera that's filming this right up above. So it's nice because you have the pan and tilt. You can move around and do whatever you want to do with that. And then if we look at the features, right? So it's got privacy mode. You got night vision. You can turn on and off. Motion detection on and off. And motion tracking.
Motion tracking. You love that.
I love that because this is one of those things where if you see motion, see?
It'll follow you.
It's following me around. Come on, follow me. I do like this. It's kind of fun. I mean, it's really nice because if you detect motion, you want to record the whole scene. If someone's coming across, you want the motion detection to see it and make the move, right? So that's really a great feature that they have on it. Now I didn't put an SD card in here. And let's see, does it take an SD card? Cloud local storage. So total capacity available.
So you can use a micro SD card. It does not come with it, so you'll have to buy that separately.
All right, and this thing works over Wi-Fi. All right, and let's see, motion detection. Let's look at that. So sensitivity, I can make it more sensitive or less. The human detection. Ooh, so we can tell if it's me or not. And then detection, sound, and alarm.
Oh.
Do you want to do it?
No.
Okay, I won't do that.
It's gonna be loud.
I've never seen that before.
You want to try that?
Yeah, let's give it a try. What the heck?
See how this might be loud.
Alarm tone, volume 0. All right, we're going to make it a little bit there. Confirm. Human. Let's turn off the human detection. All right. Oh, detection, sound, alarm. Let's see. Doesn't seem to be doing that. Whoa, okay. It works. That's cool, huh?
No, it's not.
All
Turn
right.
that off.
Uh-oh. Oh, and off it goes.
Gone. You can
Wow.
change the duration of that
Oh,
alarm.
that's pretty cool.
That was 10 seconds. It was the longest 10 seconds of my life.
That's pretty funny. Okay, so preset point settings. Okay, so this is really important, is when you do the motion detection, and you kind of do this, right? It moves the camera. But what you can do is you can set some preset points. So like right now we have it pointing, let's turn this down. Let's bring this down. So the one thing about these pan and tilt cameras is that trying to coordinate between the clicks and its position is never fun. All right, so we'll save that position away. And we'll set preset number 2. And we'll put him way over here. We'll save that away. Alrighty. So one of the things you can do, of course, is because we're in the SwitchBot ecosystem, is there's other devices, like in this case, a motion sensor. All right, so the preset point settings are interesting because what you can do there is if you set up a scene, all right, let's go ahead and set up a scene here. Come into here, scene, and I'm going to add a scene, and I'm going to say add a condition, and I'm going to say, let's say that the motion sensor sensed something, right? Let's say it detected motion. I can save that away, and then I can add the action, and I can come over here to the pan and tilt camera, and I can say night vision,
Move to
preset point. And that means is I can say move to that point if motion's detected, right? So it's kind of cool. And that way, what happens is that the camera will move to that position. It can do that. It's because everything's connected up through the hub. So now imagine you've got this camera set up somewhere, but you want to guard a door off to the left. And now I'll set that up. And now what should happen is, because it detected motion, the camera moved to that preset. So what I can do here is I can go in here and edit again. We'll edit that action, move to preset point number 2 if there's motion. Let's see. We'll save it away. And now it saw motion, of course, and it moves to the other preset point. So that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that's really neat because you can not only use the motion sensor that's built into this little pan and tilt camera, you can add other motion sensors around your house and have it move over to check out what's going on over there.
All right, so
and that's pretty cool. And another great way to use this camera, stop looking at me. Another great way to use this camera is you can use this as a baby monitor. And because it's got the microphone in there and the speaker, you can talk to your baby or you can listen to your baby. And you could put other motion sensors in the room in case baby gets out of its crib.
Look what it's doing. Have you been watching it? It's been watching you because we have motion tracking on. So it sees us. Hi.
Hi. So, yep. So it's really cool. It works here by itself.
Cool.
Also works with other devices in the SwitchBot ecosystem.
Yeah, that's
Take
pretty
that
neat.
thing off me.
Ooh, okay. It's looking at me now. All right. So that's pretty interesting. I think this is a kind of a nice feature they have on that thing. All right, I better put the motion off. Keeps looking at us. All righty. Yep. There it goes. Back to the preset point.
Back to the preset point.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the SwitchBot 2K indoor pan and tilt camera. So it works on its own. It's got motion detection built in, human detection, and you can also hook it up to other devices in the SwitchBot ecosystem using the SwitchBot Hub Mini. And you can also pair it with your favorite voice assistant.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.